But democracy is the architect for the second liberation. It's unfortunate that he went before he could see the fruits of his fight. That's why we're here today to commemorate the 11th anniversary on his gravesite and do prayers for today, so that the nation of Kenya can understand that from Busiland, a nationalist who was laid here 11 years ago, his spirit continues on. And for the national government and all leaders in Kenya, Anyona fought for democracy. He fought for equity, transparency. Some of us in the political divide are ready to carry on that cross. That's why we are here today to pray.
Mheshimiwa, do you think George and...
Fight of the circumstances was parried hurriedly, but by virtue of the things he stood for, that's why his brother stood firm to say that we don't have to pardon our brother until all issues are cleared. So when that matter was cleared in court that he was not a corrupt person, he was laid to rest haphazardly, but all is not lost. I'm here today and I'm going to inform all national leaders who fought with him. I have spoken with Mutumishi Njeru Katangu, I have spoken with the Koiwa Mwere, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and all the fighters, so that we can put these fighters in a place they belong. And I'm going to engage the people of Nyamira in deciding on which places we are going to name him. Personally, I'm going to take an initiative of starting a mausoleum at the gravesite. I'm going to take an initiative with other leaders here to start a resource center on his house, which is here, which is idle, which is not used. So all is not lost. The spirit of George Anyona Moseti is alive from the time he was at the university in Makerere, from the time he first attempted to go out politics in 1969, from the time he was castrated in 1974 by the Kenyatta regime, by the time he was jailed by the Moi regime, by the time he fought for the IPPG and the reforms, even when he was left by his friends to fight alone. So his spirit is not dead. The body is gone, but the spirit of us on.
There are complaints that...
Today, because modern leaders in this country, if you remember, the late Masinde Muliro has been given a visiting send-off by university. You remember that is a problem even in the regions of Rural Nyanza. The late Jaramogi Oginga Odinga has been named a university. I'm going to fight for the rightful place of George Anyona Moseti, not only in this region. Where he's got this accident, I'm going to engage the national government that we make sure that that road is named after George Anyona Moseti, and we build a statue of George Anyona Moseti on that place where he got his accident. And in Nyamira, we are going to start to rename many institutions. For instance, when I was campaigning here, I told the people of Tutumasaba that when I am going to be elected as Senate, my first responsibility is to make sure that all leaders in Busiran, starting from George Anyona Moseti, George Morara, Thomas Mungare, and the rest, we name schools, we name hospitals. For instance, I'm going to engage the management of Tombe Tea Factory, so that first of all, we call Tombe Tea Factory, George Anyona Moseti Factory, Tombe. Because what is Tombe, for instance? Nobody can tell you what is Tombe. We need to name our sons and daughters who have fought for this country and where we are. And these friends fought for democracy. It took a long time. We are laying the foundation for devolution. There are those centralists in Nairobi who want to keep all the monies in Nairobi. We are warning them that they must send money to the counties. And for those people in management of the counties who are misappropriating count monies, they need to know that some of us who stand by what Anyona stood for, the corrupt must be prepared to go to the jail. The people who are going to do equity must be prepared to be supported. Kuomba kwa ajili ya ndugu yetu marehemu George Anyona Moseti ambaye amelala miaka 11 iliyopita, sucha ambaye hajatambulika sana kwa eneo zingine. Hii leo nataka kutuma ujumbe kwa wote wale waliopigana naye kwamba huyu achalala, mwili tu ulilala, lakini ile hisia alikuwa nazo, yale mawazo alikuwa nayo miaka kama 40 iliyopita, tangu alipokuwa Makerere, tangu alipoanza kupigana akafungwa na Kenyatta, tangu alipofungwa na Moi, yale aliyosimamia bado yako, hayajakufa, ni mwili tu ulimelala. Ndio sababu tumekuja hapa kuomba siku ya leo tukumbuke kiongozi shujaa ambaye amelala miaka 11 iliyopita, na kusema parapara ile Anyona alianzisha. Kuna baadhi yetu ambayo tuko tayari kufuata hiyo barabara. Kwa viongozi wale wote, nimeongea na Mutumishi Njeru Katangu, nimeongea na Koiwa Mwere, wote tutakuja pamoja kuweka mambo mingi hapa kama museum, resource center, na tuangalie katika ile eneo walipata achari, hiyo barabara nitaongea na serikali kuu iitwe jina ya George Anyona Moseti, na ikiwezekana wachenge statue yake pale Nairobi. Huyu wako kiongozi wa Kituma Saba, huyu wako kiongozi wa Nyamira, huyu wako kiongozi wa Bagusii, huyu alikuwa kiongozi ambaye ana tajriba ya juu kiwango ya kina Nelson Mandela na wengineo, wakina Raila Odinga, Chief Justice Mutunga. Wale viongozi wote wakina Kwame Nkrumah na maono yake, kuna baadhi yetu ambayo tumesoma na kufuata maono yake. Na yale ambayo amepigania kwa ugatuzi tutafuatilia. Na kuambia serikali kuu ya kwamba ugatuzi kwa wale ambao wanataka kuitatisha